The 21st, almost 7:30. I got my coffee. This is the outfit for today. Big shirt, my navigation shorts, and don't know if you can see, but black socks and white shoes. Let me get my band. My next check-in will be on July 4th, which I really hope not, because it's July 4th, but if so, just gotta do what I gotta do, obviously. I'll just not go on the beach trip with my family. Because we got goals to achieve, so. But right now I am about to do cardio. I'm finishing up my coffee. And then I think I'm gonna go to Best Buy and get another SD card because this one is actually about to, so. My dad made my coffee today and it actually tastes really good. So I don't know what he did, but it tastes amazing. Like, we're not gagging. It actually tastes not bad. Alright, let's get this cardio. Stopped at Wawa. Got cherry Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. Natalie got a sandwich in Twix. So gorgeous. We are
heading to the beach now.
I don't even know how far we are. Let's see.
I think we're only like 20-ish minutes away.
Not too bad. Let's see. Oh. And after this, we're gonna go to Sam's Club, Ulta, and Target. It's all together, which is really funny. Okay, we're 15 minutes away. Let's get it. My chicken's shredded, so I can't even pick up. I know. I need to buy one off Amazon and just keep it in my lunchbox. Okay, let's rewind. We may have went a little bit too crazy at Target, but it's okay because this was a great day. I was glad I got to bond with my sister.
She hit a car.
Shh. No, I did not. was no cheat meal for the birthday, but I wasn't really expecting one anyways. I was just gonna, you know, if I got one, I was gonna be grateful. If I didn't, I was still grateful, because of course I know that this is prep and we're getting really close. We're getting really close. We are, this Saturday I will be 6 weeks out, and whenever it hits 4 weeks I can order my suit. And then whenever I hit 4 weeks, I have to do a check-in every week. So right now we're doing every 2 weeks. So then after week 4, it's every week. We're almost there. I'm really excited. Phil said that I have a really good chance of doing well in my division as long as I, you know, keep what I'm doing. My dad made shrimp and scallop tortellini last night, and it's actually like one of my favorite dishes that he makes, and I helped him make it, and it was really nice because lately I just haven't really been like had any energy or desire to really help in the kitchen or whatnot, just because it sucks like smelling the food and not being able to eat it. But I wanted to help out last night. I was in a good mood. I forgot to drink my coffee. And the gym's right there. Ah! Coffee's so gross to me, but it's okay. It's okay. I am now at the gym with my coffee. I gotta chug it. You want to see a really pretty tree? I'll show you. This is my favorite tree right here. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And I like whenever like the sun's coming down or the sun is actually rising. I came a little bit late, so I didn't get to see it rise. But I love when that happens because then the flowers just like are so vibrant. But we're gonna chug because it's 7:48. I want to try and be in the gym by 7:55 and start my cardio at 8 o'clock. So let's get it. Oh boy, I'm a hot mess today. I got my oatmeal and my eggs. Finished my cardio. Oh, and I finished my core. I was working out core because Phil wants me to get my midsection good. So just imagine I pull up on stage and I have like all the lines. That would be really funny. Not funny, that'd be really cool. But like, I haven't seen myself with abs in like a hot minute, so that'd be kind of funny. But lately I've been doing like a weird creation where I put my eggs in my oatmeal. Actually very good. I'm gonna show you my gym pants. They got me pants. They're really pretty. So far I've only tried this like purple color. This one writes really nicely. And then this is the planner that I bought that I was telling you guys about that I wanted to show you. Got the goal steps, keeping balance, bucket list, month of, and then they got notes, week of. I figured that would be pretty beneficial because I want to get on my YouTube grind and whatnot and plan out my weeks and stuff. I have like my one planner I use. It's just my regular like everyday planner, but I like this because I can actually write my own month out and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I decided I am going to take an hour break and go get Starbucks. I was gonna go this morning, but I don't want to be in a rush to go get it, so I'm gonna do it on my lunch break. But that's all. I'm officially out of work. It is 7:08 and I got a birthday present from my client Marla. She got me a $10 gift card to crumble cookie. So after my competition, I am gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be going to get myself something because I have literally been craving like crumble cookies. That's like the one thing I want off like after I'm done with prep is a freaking crumble cookie. And she went and got me a card and I feel so special. No. What happened to the tuna?
Bro, it literally flew away as soon as we got to the car. Dad was so mad.